How to automatically change model fields in Django. I have a model and I want to know if it is possible to set a condition that triggers a change in the model field. For example, I have a model. I want to know if it is possible to have a function in the model that makes is_expired equals to true when the expiry date is up. I tried this. But it's not working. Is it possible to implement this?
Use a property. The simplest thing here is not to have an is_expired field at all. It's not needed. What you need is a property. Remember, you don't have a field in a database if that field is the same as another field with a simple calculation. This automatically eliminates your headache of having to flag items as expired. If you want to find out if an object has expired, filtering. If you wanted to retrieve a whole set of objects that have expired, this is why I mentioned that you don't need to store a field that can be easily calculated. Index advantage. In most RDBMS, a Boolean field, such as your is_expired column, cannot be indexed effectively. So that actually means the above query will be faster than a query on that Boolean field provided you create an index on the expiry_date field.
You need to make two changes in this function. Firstly, use datetime.now, and secondly, you might want to update your logic like this. Because sometimes both the values might not be exactly same, but still billboard tracker need is_expired equals true for all previous dates. And in your views,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.